Hi, I'm Jack Isquith from the Harkov-Lewis team at Brown Harris Stevens. Welcome to 270 Riverside Drive, apartment 5A. Let's take a look. Located between 99th Street and 100th Street, 270 Riverside Drive is the rarest of real estate treasures, a beautiful condo conversion of a classic pre-war building across from the park. The A-line is the largest in the building. This 4-bedroom, 4-bath home features over 2,800 square feet of lovingly curated space and features. Walking through the front door, you are greeted by a wall of oversized custom wood-framed windows, which fill the room with light and calm. The high ceilings are immediately apparent and are amplified by beautiful custom plaster molding. You will quickly notice the luxurious wood floors, which bring elegance and a sense of authenticity and classic quality to this thoughtfully modernized home. Across the center hall is the magnificent windowed cook's kitchen, featuring an oversized island, mosaic marble backsplash, white glass countertops, Sub-Zero wine cooler, excessive storage, and a full Thermador appliance package, which includes a great double-walled oven. Down the center hall, you arrive at a true bedroom wing, which includes 3 enormous bedrooms and 3 beautifully designed custom bathrooms. The corner primary bedroom has Riverside Park and Hudson River views from every angle. The primary bedroom also features a massive walk-in closet. Topping this bedroom off is a 5-fixture, spa-like bathroom with 2 oversized windows, freestanding tub, double vanity, including a very spacious walk-in glass-enclosed shower. The second and third bedrooms are generously proportioned and are each accompanied by beautiful windowed, full bathrooms. At the other end of the apartment, you will find a washer-dryer and a secluded study or guest bedroom with its own full bathroom, creating many flexible options for anyone who is lucky enough to call this home. So thanks for taking the tour with us. I'm Jack Isquith. If you'd like to see apartment 5A at 270 Riverside Drive in person, reach on out to myself or any member of the team and we'll get you right in.